Hello guys, Radical Ryan here, and welcome back to another video of Minecraft. So today we're on a new survival series. Well, we did some of it off camera, so that's why we don't really have like iron stuff. So, and we're still in survival. So my brother LucaLuke have been playing on this, so he has like the iron stuff too and stuff. And I have a bow. I crafted one, and I don't have that much arrows, so today I'm gonna try to get a lot of arrows. Like, I need that much arrows. Like, I really need a lot. Like, I'm sorry that I hadn't been back in a while. I'm so sorry. Well, let's just chop down a tree. Because, right? These drop centuries? I think so. Like, why am I building up with the wood so I can get all of it? See that? You see? You like my strategy to build up? Like, yep, like that. Okay. You see my sword and my pickaxe are about to break, and now I have to eat my only food. Now I only have that much. So, let's go get some more fish. Like, why not? Oh, they also drop bones. One of the dogs just won my butter, so no. Saw that. Killed a bunch of fishes. This is my dog right here, right at the furnace. I don't know why he's at the furnace. But this is Lucas's. I know you can't tell, so that's why I'm putting him in a different spot. I'm gonna wait for that to cook up. And then be. Oh yeah, my cave. Let's go in my cave. Let's go in my cave. Well, let's go mining today too. Like, we're not only gonna get arrows. Like, we want to get like cobblestone, something. So you know what I did? I made an extra. I'm not gonna use them. Safety. This is keep inventory, so I get lost. I can just last to kill myself. Like armor. Oh yeah, I got a new YouTube skin. I forgot to tell you guys that. This is pocket edition, so I probably have the cape here on my back. Yep, it's on there. You just can't see it, so that's why. Why am I dropping my pickaxe so much? See, I got the cape. If you don't have the cape, make sure you get it right now. Like, you need that cape. Like, I know a lot of people are saying that it's too expensive. Oh yeah. Hang on, keep go ahead. Because we're gonna be let's chop the tree down. Let's get more wood. As usual. I'm making one more LucaLuke Matthew Shard to do a video with us on this world, because this is my first one, so yeah. Matthew Shark hadn't played on it, so I'm gonna expect that he doesn't have anything except for nothing. Okay. Yeah, Matthew Shark is definitely not gonna get anything. Like, I only have like 4 pieces of iron. Like, I can't. Actually, I can craft the boots. No. And I'm getting hungry, so that's the best way is to kill. Huh? I already killed fishes. I can kill more. I know where a lot of fish are here. And then there's more. You see these two? Well, kappa, kaboom. Banana. Bananas. Bananas. Why is there a drown chasing me? Oh, drown? You wanna fight? You wanna fight, big boy? You wanna fight? Okay. I didn't even take any hits. I got 13 levels. I'm on level 13. Okay, I'm getting hungry a lot. Drown chasing me. I don't like that. Or at least I can't go in the daylight. Okay. I got lost from my house before, and then I used my ender pearl because I had one. I risked it. I am starving right now, so I almost can't even sprinkle. Let's wait for that. I'm losing hunger. I'm losing myself. 5. Then we got 6 of them. So we're lucky. Let's do this. This is just gonna be the short video because it's the first one. So we haven't made the floor of the house yet, and we have a chest, a bunch of redstone, my wooden materials, my stone. You see, LucaLuke's lead, or his dog. Cause I can't let him. Just look, I'm right clicking. I can't let him get up, and then I can get this one to get up. And I have my lead in my inventory. I want to put stuff in there. A fishing rod? Oh, let's go fishing. Oh, that's how we get fish faster. Oh, let's go in the big pond. There's a bunch of fish there. And if the one we jump into, I think we go farther. So let's jump into it. Jump right at the edge. And the higher you are, the more you're gonna go. Let's just wait. Oh no, he escaped. Why am I not jumping into it? Jump! And it actually goes less farther. Yeah, this goes just straight down, so you want to go like as high as you can look at it. That, and then you go. I'm not even catching any fish. Yes! Fish! Nice and... Yes, we got a fish. That took a while to get a fish. Only some. I'm lucky I got a fish. I got a fish today. I was just waiting peacefully. I forgot I was making a YouTube video. Fish. Right after your fish just left. You see, the farther you go, the more chances you're gonna get a fish. You're not gonna get probably another one. That's the baddest point. I know. Or the killing fish idea goes faster because I know you have to get air and stuff. Or it goes fast because you just have to kill the fishes. That's only when you don't have a fishing rod. So if I don't have one, I can do that. Oh no, dolphins after me, and they're trying to this is really hard. I'm getting 2v1 today, so I don't want to be that. Yeah. One of those guys should die. You. I'm about to cook up fish right now. A pig! Yo, we got... I could kill the pig. That was like the first animal I ever killed in my fish. I can find wool and stuff and get a bed. Like, when am I gonna get a bed? Like, I got back. It was easy, didn't it? I got back. I'm bubble. That kind of funny, I know. And I might actually end it here. And I'm sorry we didn't get that much. I forgot we were supposed to get to. Oh yeah, arrows. We didn't get that much arrows and stuff. Or that's it to today's video. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.